Hey everyone, Techno Manager here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Windows 11 laptop or PC without losing your data. So let's get started. So the very first thing we're going to do is start with by clicking on the start over here, and then we're going to go to settings. Now, once in your settings, you're going to go to system, and from system, you're going to scroll down a little bit further to recovery right here. Now, once you click recovery, there's an option that says reset this PC. So we're going to click on reset PC. Now, once you reset PC, you'll see two options. You have an option to keep your files. So this option will make sure your data is not lost. And then you can delete everything if you want to select this option. So we're going to select option that says keep your files. And after that, it's going to ask you how you would like to reinstall Windows. And we're going to do a local reinstall here. You can do a cloud one as well, but local is the easiest. And then from there on, as you can see here, what will happen is it's going to go ahead and reset the current settings and reinstall Windows on this device. And then after that, you'll hit next. And then from there on, you'll be prompted to enter, basically go ahead and do this. You make sure you're connected to the power, which I'm not here, so I can't do it, but that's pretty much it. And then it will just go ahead and do it for you. This method will ensure that your files and your data, things like apps and such, will still be here that came with the PC. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.